Hi.
Let me see. Hi, Daddy. Hi, twins.
Hi.
All right, where are we headed?
We don't know.
You don't know. Do you know?
Yep.
I know.
Where?
Do you know?
Do you want to know?
You guys
bad.
want to know?
Too bad.
I'm not telling you.
You're so
You're just going to have to wait and find out where we're headed.
Yeah.
But we are going somewhere for a long time.
Like us.
Okay.
Hours.
We'll see you when we get there then.
So, you both have 2 guesses on where you think we're going, but Mommy and Daddy will not say if you're wrong or if you're correct. So you just have to guess.
Legoland or Disney?
Okay, Kane.
IDK.
That's your first guess. I don't know. IDK, I don't know. What's your second guess? What's your
Just
second
take
guess?
a guess. Just
Okay,
take
no
a wild-
plus and I don't know. All right, that's our guesses.
I would say, yeah. 2 hours? That doesn't feel like, I don't think Legoland. Probably, yeah, I think Legoland. And I don't think it's Disney. I think Disney is like probably more hours.
Okay.
So, Legoland, and that's it.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll
All
see.
right, well, we will come back and see.
New guesses?
Disney World.
You think it's Disney?
Yeah, Disney.
I'm not going to guess. I know where we're going.
Disney.
Yes, Mommy.
Why?
Oh.
Why do you think it's Disney?
Because
Because that sign says Disney World right there. We're in Orlando.
Okay, well, there's a sign up there that says Tampa. Are we going to Tampa?
Yeah, half of Orlando is Disney World. You guys think it is, huh?
yes.
Okay. Headed into the Drury Plaza Hotel. Ooh.
Oh my goodness!
Look at it, downtown Disney.
That'll be pretty at night, though, when they do fireworks.
There's so much. The floor is. You can even see the ball.
You can see Cirque du Soleil, the hot air balloon.
Yeah, downtown Disney.
You can see all of downtown Disney from this high up. 1940. You can see, like, isn't that the Polynesian or something right there?
Where they had like Green Horse Cafe.
I can see the Epcot ball.
Yeah, King said that.
It's right
Are we
there.
gonna go in the pool today?
Maybe. We're not going to go get something to eat.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go get a table. What is the room?
1926. Oh, well, at least we don't have very far to go. We're the first room. I got it.
Can I? Can I? Please? You can do everything.
No, hold it there, though. Sorry.
Yeah, hold it.
Knock it out.
Hold on, set it in
Oh,
here.
this is
Set it in
good.
there. And then,
Look at this. Where's the beds?
You can put it all the way down.
Where's the beds?
There you go. Hold on, let me grab this. Like, yeah, because they haven't had the air on. So our normal room type they didn't have. They sold out. So unfortunately, we had to pay extra to get this. But we have a nice big table here that we'll probably never use. There's a microwave. There's a mini fridge, which we need to see is working up there. Sink. There's even a little bar stool. So if you had a bunch of people staying here, you could all eat.
it's an Epcot ball.
There's a nice partition for no reason. There's a living room. This will be the polo couch where the kids are. Big TV, little desk.
It has a pretty view.
What side are we facing? Oh, we should be facing the same way that we just saw. Yeah, there's the pool. There's downtown Disney and everything again. So we do have a very nice view. All right, open the door. Okay, why is this room bigger than the living room? This master bedroom is bigger than the living room. Also, I thought the bathroom would be out here, not a shared bathroom. There's no separate.
No, but that's okay. There's 2 sinks.
Oh, the toilet's separate though. This.
You're out there on the floor.
Yeah, the couch pulls out. We'll get it up, set up in a second. They don't have the outside sink like the other rooms do. Because the toilets, yeah. The other room did. This one has a tub. This bathroom's insane. This bathroom is crazy. It is huge. I kind of like the other one better, with the room that's not this big, because there's a sink on the outside, so you can brush your teeth or something if somebody's going to the bathroom or in the shower. But this is nice because the toilet's separated. So little wins, little not so much wins. Little makeup seat, another mirror. All this here. Again. Also, in the other room's a lot nicer too, because the bathroom's in a hallway. So if you have kids, they don't have to come into your room to get to the bathroom. It is what it is.
Mommy, you're jumping like a bed! This is so...
You want to jump on the bed too? What do you think about the kids jumping on the bed?
Only for vacation.
All right, that's our room tour. What it looks like with the couch pulled out for the kids. We'll see you guys at
Something tomorrow.
some unknown theme park tomorrow.
Maybe.
I'm tired.
Thank you for watching.